What's up, guys? Planning a camping trip and worried about weak lighting at night? Here on Tech Kingo, we are diving into the best camping lantern that can light up your entire campsite with ease. If you want bright, reliable, and simple lighting, this is the one to watch. Let's get started. Up next is the Gearlight GL2P camping lantern. Designed by a California-based company known for high-quality LED products, the Gearlight GL2P camping lantern is built to deliver strong and dependable performance whenever you need it. Gearlight has a solid reputation for making flashlights, headlamps, and lanterns that balance durability and value, and this model clearly follows that same path. One of the biggest highlights of the Gearlight GL2P camping lantern is its powerful 360-degree wall of light. Instead of shining in just one direction, it spreads bright light evenly all around you. This means fewer dark spots and fewer harsh shadows. Whether you are setting up a tent, cooking at night, or just relaxing outdoors, everything around you stays clearly visible. The brightness is impressive, but what makes it even better is how evenly it fills the space. You do not have to keep moving the lantern around to see properly. Just place it in the center of your area and let it do the work. It creates a comfortable, well-lit environment that feels safe and welcoming. The Gearlight GL2P camping lantern is also compact and easy to carry. It does not take up much space in your bag, yet it delivers powerful lighting performance. This makes it perfect for camping trips, backyard gatherings, and even emergency situations at home. When the power goes out, having a reliable lantern like this can make a huge difference. Durability is another strong point. Gearlight focuses on creating products that can handle outdoor conditions. The GL2P feels solid and well built, so you can trust it to perform even when the environment is not perfect. It is designed to be simple and practical, so you can focus on your activity instead of worrying about your lighting. Thanks to advanced LED technology, this lantern provides long-lasting illumination while using power efficiently. That means you get bright light without quickly draining your batteries. It is built to stay dependable over time, giving you consistent performance trip after trip. Another great thing about the Gearlight GL2P camping lantern is how easy it is to operate. There are no complicated controls or confusing settings. It is straightforward and user-friendly, which is exactly what you want when you are outdoors or dealing with an emergency. You can turn it on and instantly enjoy bright, even light. Overall, the Gearlight GL2P camping lantern combines powerful 360-degree lighting, compact design, durable construction, efficient LED performance, and simple operation into one reliable product. It reflects Gearlight's commitment to quality and innovation while still being practical for everyday use. Ready to brighten up your next adventure? Check the price link in the description, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome tech finds. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.